Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick fix stovetop ginger nuts that are perfect for breakfast and evening snacks. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya. Let's get straight to today's video. I have my nuts here. These nuts are worth $1 and some cents. I'm going to go ahead and first prepare it. Check on it to remove the bad ones, the stones and all that. I'm going to add them to my plate here. And then the ones that are broken enough, I'm also going to get rid of them. And then the tiny ones too, they burn super quick. So right here I have my basin. I'm going to go ahead and add some water in. And then my nuts go in. And then I'll quickly wash them as I transfer them here. And then moving on, I have my ginger here. And then I have my usual tool here. I'm going to cut my ginger into pieces straight to this. And then I'm going to go ahead and crush it. Moving on, I'm going to fire up my stove. And then I'm going to go in with my pan. And quickly wipe it. And then I'm going to go in with my nuts. Some salt to taste when the nuts are still wet. I'll also go in with my ginger. And then I'll mix them up. So from here, all I'm going to do is to roast these nuts on low heat. So the trick is just to mix continuously, and you have to have a lot of patience here. If you use medium or high heat, then the nuts will burn on the outside and then the inside will be raw. You just need to take your time and mix everywhere, not only one side, the sides, even the middle. As you can see, I'm doing that. And you have to use low heat. It's mandatory. It's a must. these nuts are just ready. I'm going to turn off my stove and then I'll set them aside so they can cool. Nuts are tastier when they are cold. After some time, I'm now going to go ahead and transfer my nuts to this bowl here. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste test. They're crunchy, cooked even in the inside. The ginger is okay and the salt is also okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you tried this quick fix ginger nuts that are perfect for breakfast and also for snacks, evening snacks. Check out my other videos on my channel. I did a coated nuts recipe a few months ago. You're going to love it. It's a step-by-step tutorial on my channel. I'm going to link it down on the description box. Check it out and thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.